Hey guys, my first video, I want to talk about how to install Intel Unison to Windows PC without Intel Evo chips, which Intel Unison is actually designed for. So sometimes it won't let you download it if you don't have an Intel Evo chip. But basically, there are two options to install it. The first one would be going directly into the Microsoft Store and downloading the Intel Unison. So all you have to do is go here, search up, and the first thing that pops up, you have to open it in your laptop, you log in, and then you click download. But it won't work if you don't have the latest Windows version installed, and sometimes even if you do, it won't let you go through and follow the text. But it's very useful. You can send and receive messages from your PC right from your iPhone. Transfer files works with both Android and iPhone. It's really cool. Now, main thing I want to talk about is the second option, which I want to talk about is installing it from third-party websites. So basically, all you need to do is get this link. You copy whatever link your Microsoft Store opened up to, and then you go to this website, which I'm going to link in the description below, and then you paste it there, and you click on it, you search it, and the file that you have to download is the one which is 31.2 megabytes. So you click on download, and since I already downloaded it a little while back, I'm just going to click on it, and it should allow you to download Intel Unison. For me, it says it's already installed because I already have it installed, and you don't need to worry about it. Just go ahead, download the app, and run the application, and it'll install Unison on your laptop. So, thank you for it, guys.